Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install DBeaver latest version on Debian Linux 13.3. Then we will see how to connect PostgreSQL and MySQL. Okay, first open the default web browser that comes with Debian Linux 13.3, that is Firefox. Then go to DBeaver official website, that is debiaver.io. See, DBeaver community is a free open source database management tool recommended for personal projects, manage and explore SQL databases like MySQL, MariaDB, PostgreSQL, SQLite, Apache family and more. Okay, scroll down. See here the latest release at the time of making this video is 25.3. See here we have the two versions, Community and Pro. Pro is the commercial version, Community is the open source. In this video I am going to download and install Community. So click on download, then scroll down. For Debian operating systems we have to download this Linux Debian package. So click on this Linux Debian package to download. Wait a moment, see, download started and its size is 119 megabytes. See, we have successfully downloaded. Now open terminal, go to download, cd downloads, ls. See here we have the DBeaver, CE means community edition.debian package. Now install it, sudo dpkg-i, then DBeaver. Press the tab to autofill entire file name, hit enter. Provide the password of this sudo user, hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Now go to all applications. Go to the last. See here we have the DBeaver. Click on it to open. Now we will connect PostgreSQL server. If you want to install PostgreSQL server, then search for my YouTube channel how to install PostgreSQL server on Debian Linux 13.3. Close this one. I don't want sample databases. No. Maximize it. Now connect to PostgreSQL server by clicking on this plugin button or go to database and new database connection. Then select PostgreSQL. If you want to connect MySQL, click on MySQL. Then click on next. Now we have to provide the host name. PostgreSQL server is installed on this one. If it is installed on some other, then provide that server name and IP. Localhost is fine. Port number 5432. Database Postgres. Show all databases. Username. This is the user exists on my PostgreSQL server. Then provide the password of this user. Then click on text connection. Download. See, successfully connected PostgreSQL server version 18.1. Click on OK. Click on finish. Expand connection. See here we have the databases. If you want to run queries against the database, right click, then SQL editor, then open SQL console. Now we can perform the queries against this database. Select star from customer. I have table customer. Click on this execute button. See, we got the output. Okay. In the same way, if you want to connect MySQL server, click on database, again new database connection. Then you have to select MySQL, then you have to click on and you have to connect. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download and install DBeaver latest version on Debian Linux 13.3. Then we have seen how to connect PostgreSQL server. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.